This world was not there when the dream was happening. In that dream world, there was earth, water, fire, ether, air, belonging to the dream world. It had got nothing to do with this waking world, earth, water, fire, ether, air. How am I coming up with these stories? Can't I see? First, earth, water, fire, ether, air is there in the dream. But there is no physical body and there is no physical world. So what does it imply? Oh, earth, water, fire, ether, air is first projected as thoughts in the dream. And that is extended and grossified in the waking. So the waking is nothing but gross thought, born out of the subtle thought that was there in the dream. Where was this subtle thought born from? From the deep sleep, nothingness. So which is true? Is that seeing of my Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana true? Or is this new cause-effect story suddenly I've created in the physical? Is this true? What is true? In that moment when the cause-effect story comes up, you pick up the sword of knowledge and slash it into two. Break it apart. Destroy it. This cause-effect story is nothing but a past habit pattern, a past conditioning. Clear? The 5 factors of karma or the 5 causes are very clear.